This is a gadget I have from the time when I was studying at Wostep in Switzerland. I got it as a present during a school visit at Portescap, located at La Chaux-de-Fonds. It is an explanatory model on the workings of Incabloc. Interesting, eh? And this is where we find the Incabloc inside a watch. But what is the Incabloc? Incabloc is the shock protection device meant to absorb hits and protect the balance staff, that is, the pivots of the balance wheel, the regulating organ of the watch. In this model, this gray part is the balance staff. The red parts are the jewels, of course, and the olive hole jewel and the cap jewel on top. Holding the jewels together is the lyre spring, and this outline is the container block. You can take a thorough look on how the system reacts on vertical shocks. And this is how it reacts on lateral shocks. In hits like this, without the Incabloc, the tip of the staff wouldn't stand a chance. It will definitely break. Thank you for watching.